This is K.Naga Suresh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Aditya University. Today we are going to discuss about projections of lines in engineering graphics. This is the learning outcomes. Draw the projections of a lines in different positions by using AutoCAD software and solve the simple problem related to the projections of lines. And here this is what is the meaning of projections of lines. Projections of lines is a method of representing the position of a line in space with respect to principal planes, that is horizontal plane and vertical plane and profile plane, by drawing its front view and top view and side view of the planes. This is the simple problem related to this. Draw the line which is inclined at 30 degrees to the HP and its one end 25 mm above the HP and parallel to 25 mm in front of VP, and length of the line is 75 mm. This is the problem. And here we observe one thing. So, it is in 30 degrees to HP and parallel to VP. Okay, that means, so in this condition there is a different conditions are there in projections of lines: line parallel to both planes, line perpendicular to one plane and parallel to another plane, line inclined to one plane and parallel to another plane, and a line inclined to both planes. Like 4 conditions are there. Out of these 4 conditions, they are given third condition like line inclined to one plane, that means HP, and parallel to another plane, that is in parallel to VP. Yes. So, how it will be draw? So, how this position is came? Okay, this problem is belongs to first quadrant problem, that means first angle projection method. So, here first one I represent 3D plane here. So, this is belongs to horizontal plane and this is belongs to vertical plane. Yes, and here the line is 30 degrees to HP and its one end 25 mm above the HP. That means take the one line with 25 mm and draw the one inclined line. Yes, and this is A and B with 75 mm long distance of the line. So, this is inclined to HP with 30 degrees, and from one end is height from the HP to one end is 25 mm, and parallel to VP means, so parallel to VP also 25 mm. You can take any point. So, the distance is 25 mm. So, whether the line is parallel to VP, that means which view we will observe, it is in parallel to VP, that is top view. If you observe the top view, the line is parallel to VP, it is appear like that. Yes, in front view it is having some inclination with HP. So, when we see the front view, so it is appear like the true length will be appear. True length means a original length 75 mm long line, we can able to see the front view. So, in front view true length will be visible, in top view apparent length will be visible. Apparent length means, so we cannot able to see the original length, the line length it is showing like line length will be decreased. Yes, it is less than the true length, it is appear in the top view. So, that is nothing but apparent length. So, when you see the front view, so take the one reference line. Yes, when you see the front view, so the line true length will be visible, one end is 25 mm above the HP, take the one projector with 25 mm. So, this is the A dash front view and draw the 75 mm long line with angle 30 degrees. Yes, and this is B dash, this is nothing but front view. Yes, the B dash is also projecting below here, and when you see the top view is appear like a line. Okay, so the apparent length we can able to see the in top view. So, how it is visible? So, the original length, the true length will be visible like a reduced length, that is called apparent length. So, in the front view, in the top view, So it is also 25 mm in front of VP. So when you see the top view, the parallel line is there with 25 mm with VP. So this is parallel to VP, and this is A, and this is B. Yes, this is 25 and this is also 25. Yes, so let's find out what is this length of the line. We will observe in the AutoCAD. This diagram we will draw in the AutoCAD by using AutoCAD software. Yes, and this is the AutoCAD interface. I copy this problem here. Okay, draw a line which is inclined at 30 degrees to HP, and its one end 25 mm above HP and parallel to 25 mm in front of VP. Length of the line is 75 mm. Yes, take the one reference line, take the line command, draw the one reference line. Yes, take the empty multi-text, empty, enter, click on the screen, drag the mouse and take the one letter. So the length of the letter size is 5. Yes, copy this letter, take the copy command and copy this letter from here to here. This is nothing but Y. Yes, and draw the front view. It is one end is above the HP 25 mm. Okay, and take the length of the line is 75 and press tab. It will be transferred to the angle and give the angle 30 degrees. Yes. Okay, and after that take the again line command, draw the projector line below, and this much of length is not required. Reduce it and move this letter from here to here. Okay, and after completion of that, draw the top view, take the line command and draw the top view. In top view it is in parallel to VP 25 and trace the line and click here. Okay, and here these are the two lines are output. Yes, we need to show the or highlight this line. So go to the PE, that is called poly edit PE, enter, select the line, enter, width 2, or if it is over with thickness you can reduce it 1. Yes, and again double enter and press the line, again press enter, width 1. Yes, after that copy any letter and give the notations. So this is A and this is B and this is A and this is B. Yes, and this is A dash, B dash, and this is A and this is B. Yes, and take the, go to the annotation and take the linear, put the dimension here. This is 25. If the dimension letter size is very small, how can we increase the arrow size and dimension letter size? Go to the D. D means dimension style manager. D, enter, modify, and go to the symbols and arrow. Arrow size is 4 and go to the text. Text height is also 4 and press OK and close. Automatically the letter size will be increased. From here to here also 25. And the length of the line, go to the aligned. So this is the length of the line from here to here. This is 75, and take the linear and find out the length of the line. This is 65.04, and measure the angle. And take the line command and give the small line from A dash for measuring the angle, and go to the angular annotation and mention the angle 30 degrees. Yes, this is the answer for this problem. Yes, so the 30 degrees long line in front view, it is appear like a true length 75 mm long line which is having 30 degrees to the HP. In top view, it is parallel to VP. So the length of the line is 65.04. Yes, this is the answer we draw in the AutoCAD. Yes, today we discussed draw the projections of the lines in different positions by using AutoCAD, and second one, simple problem on projections of the lines. Thank you everyone.